So I've already modified this. I moved this about 2 inches that way so that I could fit a full one on this side, and I'm gonna leave that side blank. And I checked it with this rolling box. It's crazy, but look at this. So the wheels are touching right there, right? Oh yeah. So this leaves it open also. So if I have stuff packed in there, I have an open spot. I can put whatever I want, like a bag or something. But if I need to go pick up pellets for the pellet stove or whatever, just take all the Milwaukee out, and then these are so flat. I forgot to show you the screws. Stainless steel 1.5 inch carriage bolt, lock washer, and a nut. And it's quarter inch diameter, which is a little bit looser than these holes. And then I just come up from the bottom. The trick I found is the square part. See this head right here? The square part. You grab this with your hand and you start pulling up on it with your fingers, and then just tap it with your hammer from the underside. And it mildly, see, it's not all the way flush yet. Let's see if I can get that focused. But once I suck the screws up tight, it'll suck up real tight, and it'll look like, let's see, like these over here. All right, I'm done cutting the cardboard and throwing away the trash, and this is the result. Let me move this sawhorse. I'm gonna put my bags in there out of the way, or I could put a low pack out in a drawer or something, or maybe I could just elevate that and then have drawers, whatever, but I can reach all that. I'm standing at the corner of my truck, so that's accessible. If I need an air compressor, it goes there, but if I'm going cordless, I could put another one of these base plates down, but all this stuff's locked in. So I'm kind of liking this. Even the drawers would be good here at the end. And realistically, I wasn't really sure about putting something there because it's kind of nice to work off the end of the tailgate. But now, well, what do? I don't build anything anymore. I'll be doing as-built, so the laptop can live right there, or paper, and I can use that as a standing desk. With music, of course. Never get rid of that. Can't work without music. Come on now. So yeah, this is pretty cool. Man, Milwaukee, way to go. And I think maybe a ladder will fit in there, kind of like from here. I got a 6-foot ladder around the corner I could probably try. That was the reason why I was trying to do that, was just leave the middle open. So anyways, there you go. I forgot to include the rolling cart. So there you go. It all buttons up nice. I'll try this configuration for a while. And now I'm ready to go to Costco or whatever. Not a bad way to do things, Milwaukee. And the Bedslide helps an awful lot too. Save your knees, get a Bedslide. Or a van.